Good morning. Welcome to LE4466. This course is discussing how the classics, in other words, how a little bit of key literature and a few key thinkers have influenced Western thinking and Western ideas until today. That is what we're trying to talk about in this course. So, as we talk about how the classics influence Western civilization, I'd like to start by doing a what if. So, what if? What if this was a course about Taiwan civilization, but let's say I cannot talk about Confucius? It would be a little bit strange. If I could not talk about Buddhism, if I could not talk about Taoism. In other words, if I could not talk about anything related to religion, it would obviously greatly weaken your impact and understanding of Taiwanese culture. What if I can't talk about China and Taiwan? Or Taiwan ROC? Or Taiwan PROC? In other words, if I say, no, you cannot talk about politics in this course either. If this was a course about Taiwan, what would I talk about? What could you learn about Taiwan and how Taiwanese people think if I could not talk at all about religion and politics? So, in this course, as we look at Western civilization, you may notice and feel sometimes that we are touching on things that are related to maybe religion and maybe related to politics. But the classics have influence is so great that we need to cover these things. So it may feel that way. So anyway, so in short, if I did this in Taiwan, you would know nothing about Taiwan. Okay, so let's get to know you a little bit. So I'd like to ask you to take a few minutes and scan this QR code, and I would like you to fill out the survey online. Okay, so we can get to know you a little bit. So please use your handphones, and I'll pause recording here, and you guys can then do this.